Welcome to Mesa Macrame. So here I'm making a macrame coaster which is heart shape, and to start with it I've taken a 3 mm braided macrame, and these are 50 centimeter cords of the braided macrame, and I've taken first 4 cords in total first to start with, because I am going to create a square knot. So fold it into half and find the middle point and pin down the cords, and then in the middle point just start making a square knot. So just basically create a square knot out of outside cords, which are again the middle two are going to be as a filler cord and the working cord side ones. And then the same like this one, create 10 of the square knot, and then start adding them as I'm going to show you here, and then join them all together, all 10 cords, all 10 knots all together. Okay, so here you can see with the second line of knot I have joined all 10 cords, and now what I'm going to do is keep leaving 2 cords when I start. So keep leaving 2 cords, and the other side obviously there will be 2 cords left. So that's how I am going to finish. And then and on every line, if you keep laying 2 cords on both sides, it's going to look like a triangle at the end, and at the last there will be just one knot. So keep doing this. So here you can see the I am just finishing the last line, and it's going to look like a triangle, and then I'm going to turn it upside down, and then we will start shaping it as a heart. Okay, so here I've pinned it upside down, and I have, you can see on the first two cords I am tying the second cord with the lurk head knot, but before that I have attached one cord of 40 centimeter, which you can see, and the rest are going to be as square knot. And the other side I'm going to do exactly the same, attach 140 centimeter cord in between the last two cords, and then tie with the second last cord on the last cord, lurk head knot, so that we can finish it. And okay, so here you can see I'm finishing the last lurk head knot here, and I have attached the 40 centimeter cord. But before that I am going to so one side cord is going to stay up, and then the bottom side one I'm going to bring through the last two cords, which I have just done, and then start making a square knot line. And I'm going to do, when I'm finished the this line of square knot, I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side of the with a 40 centimeter cord. I pull the bottom part of the other half of the cord, and then bring it out through the last two cords. So finish this line of square knot, and then we're going to start differently. So here on this side I have started making the hearts, other half of the heart, you can see, and I'm going to keep making it until I reach to the middle of the knots. Okay, I'm starting again on this side as well. I'm going to follow the same pattern and repeat the same exactly like we did on the other side. Okay, so I'm just going to finish the last bit of the knot, and then you can see that I have already and this has already started looking like a heart shape. Now I have taken another half centimeter of another half meter cord, which is a 50 centimeter, and then I'm going to pin it down in the middle of the pointy uh, part, and then start making the double hitch knot with the rest of the cords. But you have to see that with the cord which I've made the knots with, I'm trying to secure that on the process, and that will be very helpful and when we are trying to finish the edges, and try to follow this pattern, and then I'm going to show you how I did the middle part. As you can see, there is not much difference. I just been kept doing the same thing, and when you come to the middle heart shape part, you will be finding it the same if you keep doing exactly what you followed, and then it will come out same. And so when you meet at the pointy bit again, and then it will be just one last knot, and that's it. So you can see I've already cut the rest of the part, but I have left a few, and I'll be showing it. So you can see there is one cord, actually two cords left. I'm going to just make the one last knot on this side, and then finish the ending using two together. Okay, so here I am just tying the two together cards so that they can be uh, joined. And then I'm just going to chop off the last edges which I have left, and then I'm going to add a little bit of glue in the middle part because there's not the last knot isn't much secured, and the rest of the cards are very much secure. You don't have to put any glue or anything on that. And that's about it. The heart shaped coaster is ready. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.